shoot.
Last piece going in.
Last piece going in. This is us getting ready. We got Richard and got Joe over here, you know. We're getting ready for Arcane. Let's go. Alrighty, getting ready. Day one. Got the boba pots going already. It's a mess back here, but I gotta organize. And we're gonna start serving out of this window. Out to the front over there. Oh, what's that? That's the world. Let's give it a check out. Joanne's first time working with us. Let's go, let's go. And Henry again, the OG, ready to get this show started.
Let's go.
Drink milk. Let's go, baby. You kind of like leave the heavier set ones at the bottom and then yada yada.
I'm a professional.
You want to tell me what this is? It's just a full cup of boba and just a tad bit of Thai tea.
More? Perfect, thank you.
For the content, baby. It does look nice in a black cup, right? This is what our marketing influencers right here are, this is what they're up to right now. Look at that beautiful shot though, huh?
Now drink it.
Balls aren't even moving, dude.
I'm really trying.
What's this, Henry? You got a little penguin guy? Yeah.
For the winner, for the winner.
All right, guys, that's day one of Undercity Nights, League of Legends, Arcane, Magic Milk. She won this first try in the claw game, you know? First try of asking the guy. We did it. On to day two. See you guys. All right, kickstarting off day two. I just tried the claw machine for the first time and got this guy in, I think, 4 tries. At the same time, actually, Henry got his at the same time. Let's go. That's what we're looking at during the day. Little powder and Vi. I don't know. Caitlin over here. Last drop mug. Nah, I have no space for it, but that'd be dope to have. Venue during the day, still pretty dope to look at. We got like full service bars, all the other food vendors and everybody's like laced up out here. Really great environment. I have an arcade in here. How we doing, Joe? Any success so far? It's a good thing she won her dragon yesterday on the first try. Karma, I guess. Yeah, by win, I mean she asked the guy who was filling up the machine. Let's go, baby. This is Henry's domain out here. Day two, it is our 9-hour workday over here at the Riot Arcane Magic Milk, and we are running into a problem, a good problem. We are almost out. What we're trying to figure out right now is how to restock our oat milk. We didn't account for them to go out so quickly. So super glad everybody right now is enjoying our drinks, and the event is pretty live. It's awesome. A lot of good energy out there. What we've been seeing happen multiple times. People will come back not 2, 3, but 4 or 5 times and get drinks not only for themselves but their friends as well, and it's a great thing to see. Is just return customers on the day of, because they've all been asking as well, like we have store locations or where we stationed, and we just gotta say we are still looking our liquid gold over here.
Sorry, our drinks are too delicious.
Sorry, we're sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
Dude. Come on, Henry, you're so close. Oh. Watch it fall out. Slamming him against the wall. Oh, you got it. There you go, there you go. Yo, what up everybody? We didn't get to cap off the Riot Arcane event with Magic Milk, so I'm gonna be doing that here from home. And I just wanted to say quickly, shout out to Joseph, Richard, Henry, and Joanne for rocking as the Magic Milkers this whole past weekend, all 3 days. And Justin, Chris, and Lisa came through for the last day to help out. It was beautiful for us to be able to serve all the happy faces. It's almost a dream come true, because I myself have been a gamer way before I was anything else, and it's almost full circle, you know, not being in the gaming space, but as a vendor, a catering service for Riot, for League of Legends, their Arcane
ARCANE, you know, like that whole world, something that I've been there since season 1. Super cool. Also a huge shout out to Red Rock Entertainment for creating that whole like Undercity Nights venue where they had all of the vendors, special vendors, food vendors, like Ramen Hood was out there, Bolo was out there, a lot of good options. Yeah, so that was our first event we've ever catered. Definitely we have more lined up in upcoming dates, but that was the first event that we had to cater, and I'm so fortunate because it was such a great client, a great opportunity. Hopefully, you know, the word gets spread because we already know it's not the product we're concerned about. It's just how can we get this into more people's hands? How can we get more people to try our product? Because we believe in our product wholeheartedly, and Magic Milk is going to be a household name, I feel, in the boba industry. So super excited, super happy to have been at this event, and yeah, thank you everybody for giving us a try. We really hope to be able to cater to more events, more people of similar calibers. Thank you everybody who was there at the RIOT ARCANE event. Hope to see you guys again soon. Peace.